Okay, here's a quick tutorial on using Google Sketchup to visualize solar shading. What I did first to set this up was I opened Google Earth and just picked a random rooftop in Tucson, Arizona. Then I went back to Google Sketchup. This is a freshly opened new model. I went to the Tools menu, to the Google Earth menu, and I imported the current view. What that does is it sets my model info to the latitude and longitude of that exact view. So now I'm ready to visualize the shading. So what I do is I go to the File menu, and I could build a solar array, or since this is just a tutorial, I will import one. From the 3D warehouse. These are all publicly available models that can be edited or used with attribution, of course, if necessary. And just waiting for it to load. I'll do a quick search for solar array, and there's a bunch of options. I'll just use a single Sanyo bifacial. Looks like a good model. It's already tilted. It's got dimensions that look good. So I'll download this into my SketchUp model. Yes, please. And then I'll place it on the roof. Of course, if this were an actual big box department store in Tucson, Arizona, I'd probably be placing about 500 of these things. But for shading, we can just put one. So then I'll go back up to the Windows menu. I'll pick Shadows. I'll enable Display Shadows. I'll use the sun for shading. And then what happens is I can use the tool. See if I can get a better view. I can use the shading tool to cycle through time of day, or day of the year. Shadows get much longer in December. Of course, much shorter in June. Can also build obstructions such as vents or chimneys. See their effect on shaded arrays. And of course you can also build larger arrays just by duplicating existing panels. So anyway, that's a quick overview of how you can visualize shading using the free Google SketchUp tool.